Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Google One subscription. Want to stop paying for a Google One? I'll show you how to remove your Google One subscription in just a few simple and easy steps. So let's follow these few simple easy steps together. The first step is to open Google One subscription settings, and to do that, just go to google.one.com, and after that, log in using your account's credentials. Now once you logged in, click on settings and you will find that with the gear icon on the top right corner. Click on settings. Now the second step is to manage your plan, and to do that, under membership plan, click manage subscriptions, and after that select cancel subscription. Now this doesn't show on my page because I didn't pay for the subscription in this in this account. Now if I want to pay for a subscription, I'll just go to benefits and then click on see the plans, and then you can choose which plan you want. You can select the plan with the basic plan with 100 gigabytes, or the premium with 2 terabytes, or the AI premium with 2 terabytes, which offers the Gemini features. As for the third step is to confirm the cancellation. Now if you cancelled the subscription, Google will show you a warning message. Click on cancel to confirm. And for the fourth and final step, check storage and expiry date. You can use storage until the end of the billing cycle, and after cancellation, excess files may be deleted if storage exceeds 15 gigabytes. Now if you're subscribed, resubscribe within 30 days, you won't lose data, and back up important files before cancelling. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you remove Google One subscription. Just cancel from settings and confirm. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.